Meet Tom, who heads to the gym for his usual morning workout. All is well until he heads to the showers to find cold water pouring out of the shower head. Frustrated and shivering, Tom remembers the U-Plumber app. With a few taps, he connects with Emma, a reliable plumber with stellar reviews. Within minutes, Emma arrives at the gym, tools in hand. She diagnoses the problem as a broken water heater. With her expertise, she quickly replaces the faulty parts, restoring hot water in record time. Tom is relieved and grateful, and the other gym goers cheer. Thanks to U-Plumber, Tom can shower in comfort again.